Ken, Silver Creek Realty Group, AmeriPro Mortgage. Wanted to show you a couple houses here in Dutton Place, which are in Meridian off of 10 Mile. There's 21 homes left. These homes will surely appreciate in value. Let's take a look at the homes to see if they'll show them. In this community, the reason it is so special is by location, and that's why you buy a house. Location. It's right off the 10 Mile. It's right off the 10 Mile. Off-ramp right here, and here's the Shields, and these are the houses they have left. These are brand new. It's before Cherry Lane and Pine. If you're looking for houses and you want to use the CBH incentive instead of buying down $20,000 on a lot of these homes, using all of it to buy down to 4.99, I can give you the same rate and not use the complete $20,000, giving you money left to install fencing, blinds, backyard grass, that type of things. So that is the reason I made this little video for you. Let's take a look at one of these homes. Here's 439. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,400 square feet, lot 27. It's brand new. Cool house. Here's one for 489. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. For the Meridian area, for a brand new house, if I was moving in from out of state and this was the price point I was looking for, I'd certainly take a look at these houses first. Give me a call, Kenneth, AmeriPro Mortgage, Silver Creek Realty Group. I'm a licensed real estate broker here in Idaho and a mortgage broker. And so we can give you the best rate and terms, write the deal up, show you the ins and out, and use that seller incentive for more than just buying down the rate.